So if you've been streaming on Twitch and wanting to grow, and every other YouTuber on this platform tells you that in order to grow on Twitch, you gotta grow on YouTube or Twitter, and you just don't want to do that, well, you've come to the right video. In this video, I am gonna tell you how to grow on Twitch just by playing the right game at the right time. Hello everyone, I am twinkietalks, a content researcher here on YouTube, and I research how to optimize your social media so you don't have to. So there's probably two reasons why you aren't growing on Twitch like you want to. Reason number one is that you're probably playing a game that's massively popular, that's being streamed by a lot of people. So the top streamers in that game probably have thousands, multiples of thousands of views and viewers. And you're probably like bumming it at 3 viewers all the way at the bottom of the category. And so nobody can really find you on the website. The other reason that you might not be growing on Twitch is you're playing a game that's probably very near and dear to your heart, and that's probably a game you grew up with, but it's not a very popular game, or it's not a very popular game right now. And not a lot of people are streaming it, therefore not a lot of people are actually looking for it. And even though there's not a lot of people streaming it, because there's not a lot of people looking for it, nobody's really looking for your stream. Now, to fix both of those reasons, you have to pick a game that's relevant, and then also pick a game that has enough viewers so that you can grow in. And also pick a game that doesn't have so many large streamers that someone of your channel size will not be able to make it in that category. And the way you do this is you try to pick a game where you, based on the viewers that you have, can be in the top 10 of that game's category. To demonstrate what I mean, I have here opened up the browse page on Twitch, and I'm just going to scroll down quite a bit. And this is particularly for people who average 2 to 3 viewers or 2 to 4 viewers. And we're trying to find games for you that you can grow in very easily. Now I'm going to scroll down quite a bit. And okay, so around, let's say, the 400 mark, this is probably where you want to be if you want to grow on Twitch using just Twitch and playing games on Twitch. Now there might always not be games here that you want to play, but around here you'll find really good, you'll find actual popular games that you can play. And I just want to demonstrate something. Let's open up the Messenger, let's open up Fallout New Vegas, let's open up Battlefield 1. And I just want to demonstrate one thing. Now, I'm so glad that I picked these 3 games, because these 3 games actually allow me to demonstrate a lot. So in the Messenger, even though the Messenger, it has 400 viewers, okay, most of those are to this one person. However, the 10th viewer, or the 10th streamer, only has one person viewing this game, which means you can very easily be in the 10th spot here. Like if someone opens up the Messenger, they see these, and they can very easily click your stream, because your stream will be in the 2nd row. You're going to be at the top row. However, this game, I actually wouldn't play this game. Why? Because look at this. It just ends right here. That means even though this is a really good indie game, there isn't much hype around this game. There isn't many people streaming this game. There's probably not many people that usually want to watch this game, and therefore I would generally avoid this game. However, if we go to Fallout New Vegas, now there's a bunch of people streaming it, which means there's a bunch of hype around this game. If there's a bunch of people streaming it, there's probably a bunch of people that also want to watch this game, that also want to like come and watch new players play this game. And the best part about this, at the top, even though, okay, first is a rerun, and it's not even in English. However, second, 128, 39. Number 3 is just 7 viewers. Number 4, 5, 4, 4, 4. So if you're someone who has around 4 to 7 viewers, you're in the top 10 for Fallout New Vegas. It's a cult followed game. People really like watching this game. People really like coming in and watching people play this game blindly. So that's a good game that you would grow in. You would be in the top 10. Lots of new people will be coming in. They will find you, they will like your stream. You don't have to make any other content. Same goes for Battlefield 1. Now, this is, again, it's a competitive game. It is a first-person shooter. Lots of people really want to grow using first-person shooters and competitive first-person shooters, right? Very popular game just based on the amount of streamers that are streaming it. And also, again, 5, 8, 8. If you're someone with just 5 viewers, you can break into this category very, very, very easily. You can very easily attract all the people that are still playing Battlefield 1, and you can establish yourself in a first-person shooter. If you grow more, you can look into more first-person shooters. So even if you're someone who is really into playing competitive games, you can very easily find those competitive games and grow in them. Now, that's the process of finding a new game. However, I also want to tell you, so because I'm a software developer, I actually made a tool that can do all of this for you. The link to this application that I've created is going to be in the section down below. However, what I've created with this tool is essentially exactly what I described to you. It's a tool where you can come to this website and you can enter whatever your average view count is, or how many people come to watch you no matter what you're streaming in the beginning. So let's say you have 4 people, you have 4 viewers. At any time you'll have 3 to 4 viewers. So let's do 4. Okay, so what this website does is, in the beginning, it loads up the top 1,000 games being streamed on Twitch right now. Then, going over those games, it selects the games that have at least 20 streamers, because sometimes you will see, like we saw with the Messenger, sometimes you will see a game that has 1,000+ viewers in it. However, it's only one partner that's streaming the game, and that's why that game has 1,000+ viewers. So even though that game has a lot of people watching it at the time, they're watching it for the partner. They're not necessarily watching it because they want to watch the game. So those are the kind of games you want to avoid, and this tool will filter out those games already to only select the kind of the games that have a bunch of people streaming them, therefore also have a bunch of various amounts of people that would want to watch them. And then what it does is, from the number that you provide this website, it goes through those games, it looks at the first and the 10th streamer in those games, it calculates where you would be, and then it prints out a list of games where you would be in the top 10. I'm just gonna let it finish up because it takes a little bit. Okay, so it's finally done querying all the games that were picked out, and now because I entered the number 4, if you're someone at this time with an average viewership of 4, that means you have 4 people watching you anytime you're streaming. These are the games where you would be right now in the top 10, and there's some really good games. Fallout New Vegas, one of the games we actually picked out. Zelda, Pokemon Red and Blue. If you're a person who really likes Pokemon, right now is a really good time to play Pokemon. Warcraft, like there's a variety of game. Kingdom Come Deliverance, Battlefield 1 is up there, another game we picked out. And as you can see, the Messenger is actually not up here. I don't know why Titanfall 2 appears twice. But again, another first-person shooter, very easily. If you're somebody who wants to play competitive games, they're in here. American Truck Simulator, if you're somebody who wants to play very relaxing games, they're in here. But basically, what these games are is, these are all games that you can stream, that you can get new viewers in, because you'll actually be appearing near the top. And they're being streamed enough that more people are wanting to watch these games, but you'll have more chances to attract more people because you're playing the right game at the right time in the right category, rather than going for something that's, filled with streamers with thousands of viewers, where finding you would be very difficult. Say, your League of Legends or your Fortnites, or your playing something that's very obscure, and even though it was a popular game at one point, not that popular now. Say State of Decay, an old Sonic game, like a Sonic adventure game, even though they were really popular games at the time when they came out, and they're really loved games by people, they might not be games that are streamed as much or watched as much right now. So you can use this tool very effectively. Instead of, doing all the research, you can just use this tool that I've created for you. Links in the description down below, and find some games that can help you grow. With that being said, that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope that the tool and everything I stated in this video is helpful for you. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to click that subscribe button and ding that bell for more videos like this that help you improve your social media, so that you can grow and we can all grow together. I'll see you later, and just remember that you are all stars, so keep shining and keep showing the world your light. I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.